Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we'll be talking about unicorns. Now what's a unicorn? A unicorn typically is a mythical creature, usually a white horse-looking striped animal that has a single horn with magical properties. Something that's very elusive, something that can't be found, something that epitomizes perfection, purity. These are things that the IPO world has looked for, these unicorns that would cause, the next big change in the structure of our technology and our capabilities. These unicorns are sought after, found, funded, grown, and survive and become amazing. Those are the standard things that are out there, the epitome of perfection. There's also another set of animal that's out there called the dark horse. A dark horse is someone that you don't really know could have ever been a contender, a player. They come in from completely different ways of thinking, mindsets, are strategic in their opportunities, but don't even seem to be on the map until they get on the map and take over. It's not luck that it's determining a dark horse, it's really strategy and looking at strategy at different points. This was really part and parcel of a book that's come out by Todd Rose called The Dark Horse, looking at how many different achievements and very successful people with achievements have come about focusing not on going through the standard path, grinding up their scales and grinding up their ladders of competency, but really jumping around in totally different regimes in order to be who they are. What I want to postulate is another kind of horse, so to speak, another kind of animal that is an interesting play. What if you can find a dark unicorn? A dark unicorn is where you have something that can achieve in their path, but decides not to. Decides strategically to jump into something completely different. These dark unicorns may be even more elusive than a unicorn or a dark horse. In what ways can you become or are a unicorn? In what ways can you become or are a dark horse? In what ways can you become a dark unicorn? Or is that really just the rhino? I hope this was useful to you. Until next time, bye.